It's time for the lightning round. Okay, baby, that's right. We're of course, right for you saying the second to about the course of the and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Steve? Time for the lightning round. I want to start with Tim in New York. Tim.
Hey, what's up, Jim? It's Tim from New York. I'm calling about the stock Cloudflare. Considering its exposure to AI, is now a good time to buy?
Matthew Prince rocks. I would be a buyer. I would buy it slowly because we got big selling going on in AI stock Meta. That's how I regard it now. I need to go to Chris in California. Chris.
Double booyah, booyah, Jim. Thank you for inspiring young investors. We appreciate you.
I'm doing everything I can, man. It's a tough market. What do we got here?
Axon Enterprise.
Oh, man. I just said to Jeff Marks and Ben Stoda today that Axon is so good. We used to have Rick Smith on all the time. Remember, that was the taser, but it's really just an ecosystem of law enforcement. And even here, it's still good. I need to go to Mitchell in Texas. Mitchell.
Jimmy Chill, what's up?
I don't know. You tell me.
Maybe better after you hear this story. Jimmy, I got a stock that's trading at the average market multiple of right now, let's say 20, 23, 22. And this stock's going to quadruple in earnings over the next 2 years. What do you think about First Solar?
Oh, I like First Solar. It's actually the only solar next tracker that I really like here. The other ones are all kind of like they're faux solar. I like that faux today. All right, let's go to Mike in Illinois. Mike.
Hey, Jim, how are you?
I'm doing good, Mike. How about you?
I'm doing well. I know you have Coterra, and you were maybe considering some other stocks in energy. Want to know what you think about this stock? It's the number one stock in its sector. It's in Mexico. Vista Oil and Gas.
Yeah, Mexico is actually changing its rules. It should be, I think, good for Vista. I would actually own Vista. I think it's a good situation. Let's go to Liza in New York. Liza.
Hi, Jim. Long-time listener and second-time caller.
Perfect. Let's go to work.
Should I be patient with Crown Castle, CCI?
I think it's 6.5% yield. They are, look, if they've been mismanaged, you betcha. Can they bottom here? I think with that 6.5% yield, it can. It's not a totally bad business. It's kind of a, it's a tower business. It's not that much worse than all the rest. I think you're okay. Let's go to Charlie in California. Charlie.
Hey, Jim, my man. Recently I bought into an IPO. I'm up 15% on it. The stock's at Astera Labs. Do I hold? Buy more?
No, you want to take the gain here. And I'll tell you why. Because we got a level of IPOs coming your way. It's going to make everybody sell these to buy the next IPOs. I don't want you to be caught in that maelstrom. Let's go to Carrie in Pennsylvania. Carrie.
Hey, Jim.
Hey, Carrie, what's going on?
$1,000, and I was wondering if I should invest in Liquidia.
Lydia. Okay, let me think there. When this is, look, this is so speculative. I don't know, man. You're dice rolling here with this thing. You're just dice rolling. I'm not going to be in the dice roll game. It's too hard. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, from railroads to tech, Cramer is looking for a bargain. Where's the next bull market hiding? Find out when we return. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.